So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the functionality of WebView in your application. So this is very useful in much of the scenarios where you have a pretty good mobile responsive website which you all want it to be become a application because there are some constraints, or it's not better to recreate that whole website from scratch for the app, just for the app, because it can be a static data or just random information. So, and it not of using any of the sensors or any other applications in the phone. So today I'll be showing you how you can your created website be look like an application, and it basically will open the website in the browser. But there are two methods for that. Number one is that the application will open your default browser externally like another app, and then show that URL of your website. But this one is it will open inside the application, so it more of look like uh, not kind of website but very much kind of application, as like when you click it on its app icon, then it will directly open that link. But for sake of simplicity, I have just created a first page here with a button, and this will go me to the website, but it will open inside the web view, which is basically in inside app browser, kind of that. So for that, I have just created the first basic template of the Flutter application, and in that I have some app bar body, and in the center I have an elevated button with on pressed function launch in web view with JavaScript, and it will take an argument of the URL of your website. This is my website of data uploading onto cloud. I've created it earlier, and some text, the child of the button. So it's basic. So now let's just look at this launch in web view with JavaScript function. So here I have created it. It's actually a function that will take the URL, which is over here, and it's async function. Now why is it async? Well, async functions are those functions typically which requires some online resource to come from some another place. Like in my case, my website is an online platform. It's available on GitHub, so it's extracting the website link and then each part of the website from the GitHub, and then putting them into the screen of the mobile phone. So for that it may take some time. That means the pieces of, you can understand, is that like the pieces of the website will come chunks by chunks. So as they assemble, they need some time. So it should be asynchronous, means it's not like that when you have seen that image is when you're downloading an image is completing with partially, like from bottom then mid then top, or maybe reverse from top bottom mid, like completing it. So this is also the same case. The data is coming in bytes, in chunks of pieces of data, so it will require some time to be assembled as a whole website. So that's why it's async function. It's more of, you can also not use it, but if you use it, it makes a website look smoother while loading onto the screen, not like something hanging on your screen. So that's why it's necessary. Then we have some if conditions, which is checking if the URL which we have provided here, if it's actually working or not. So await means just wait. First check whether the URL is correct or not. If yes, then wait. Again, because it's an online resource, it's coming from another destination, so you have to keep check on waiting so that it completely and smoothly displayed onto the screen. Then launch. What? URL with some parameters, force WebView true. It means it will open WebView. WebView, as I said, a view of web browser, but inside the application. It technically it's opening a web browser, but that web browser is being opened into inside the app. So it makes kind of illusion that it's not a website, it's an application. Okay. And enable JavaScript, which is also true, like because website are built using JavaScript, but mobile application doesn't use JavaScript. Maybe some may use that, but mostly no JavaScript is being used in creating of any mobile application. But JavaScript is very necessary. Just it's like if it's false, then any function that JavaScript is being using, it can't be done because it's mobile phone and we are using web view, which is necessary because if it's false, then you can think of it like all the JavaScript file that you have wrote for your application or for your website, that doesn't matter because the phone will not recognize it. So it has to be enabled true so that it will recognize that it's, oh okay, it's a JavaScript code and this is what a JavaScript code should do. If a button pressed, so it should take you to the, or do whatever you have written in that, or else simply you just throw an error, couldn't launch this URL. Okay, so now I'll just test the app. So here are app, basic, a drive, and there are button, floating, not floating button, it's elevated button, yeah. So as I click it, so you can see it has opened, as there is no tabs. Let me show you what if it look like if I open it an external browser. Wait, let me just okay, let me show you the app here on the website, then I'll show you into the external browser. So here it says enter to your account. Actually I've just created like this, so it will, there you go. You see it's very seamless view, like documents, videos, audio, so it's very fast. Although you can see this much because already it's a web view, so it will have some kind of web browser features. So let's say what we can upload. Okay, let me upload, yeah, okay, Tony Stark. I'll just upload the file. Your file is going to cloud, and now in just few seconds you will see that it will be displayed over here. So as you can see, and if you go to my images, there it is. And also if you go to storage, there's a mini pie chart depicting the different file types, and you can also delete it from here. But now let's just see how will it look like into the external web browser. So for that, let me just copy this so that I will open it into the external browser. And now if I go over here into the simulator Safari, because it's an extra oh, okay, this something, another application it is. Let me open my yeah. No. Okay, yeah. And okay, so Here you can see, here we have tabs option, we have bookmarks option, we have share option, and this back and forth option. So here you can see, because this application makes every opening of it like in any other web browser will make it a new different account, so we can't see that image over here, but you can see it's in the external browser, and we have this link also. And in our app you can simply see just have a share option and to open in the external browser option, nothing else, because it's been opened into the application internally, not in external browser. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do share, follow, and subscribe for more such content. Thank you.